This is how to make the second lace square in the Tunisian Tessellated Sampler Cowl. This is what it looks like here. The holes are made by yarn overs and then by making a TFS into the yarn over. And this line here is made by a series of decreases. So I'll make one square so that you can see it in full. So we start by picking up loops in the 6 single crochet bind offs from the square below, and then by connecting to the first edge stitch, return pass as usual, yarn over, pull through 2. That's on every row. Okay, the first thing we do on row 2 is a yarn over. Then we do a decrease, insert hook under 2 vertical bars, drop a loop. Then we do 4 TSS's, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then we connect to the next edge stitch. Return pass. Just need some yarn. Okay, row 3. Now we TFS, and we're TFSing into the hole made by the yarn over. So TFS, Tunisian full stitch, is hook from front to back through that hole and bring up the loop. Now what that does, it makes that hole bigger. Then we yarn over, then we decrease, then we need 3 TSS, 1, 2, 3, and connect to the next edge stitch. Just be careful on this row that you still have 8. It's easy to forget to make that yarn over. So if you're likely to forget, just double check you've got 8 before you make your return pass, otherwise you would have decreased somewhere, which we don't want. Row 4 is a TSS, then TFS into the yarn over hole, yarn over, decrease, 2 TSS, 1, 2, connect to the next edge stitch, return pass. Row 5 is TSS times 2, 1, 2, full stitch, yarn over, decrease, TSS, connect, return pass. Pull on my ball of yarn again. Okay. Last row is 1, 2, 3 TSS, full stitch into the yarn over space, yarn over, decrease, connect, return pass. And then the last thing we do is a bind off, and we're going to bind off in pattern. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 TSS, then TSS by inserting your hook as per TFS. So in SC into the yarn over space, making that yarn over space bigger, then SC into the decrease. Slip stitch. So by continuing in pattern when we do the bind off, we keep those holes nice and uniform all the way along. And when you finish the whole row of these, the decrease line is effectively going to create a line across here.